In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the user ID in Salesforce with this quick and easy guide. Navigating through Salesforce can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're trying to track down specific details like a user ID, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's start by locating the gear icon. You'll find this icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Once you've spotted it, you'll need to click on it. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu. From here you should select the option labelled Advanced Setup. This step is crucial as it opens up more detailed configuration options within Salesforce that might not be readily visible at first glance. After you're in the Advanced Setup, let's turn our attention to the Quick Find box. This search tool is a fantastic feature that helps you quickly locate specific settings or pages without having to navigate through every menu. Simply type the word users into the Quick Find box. As you type, you'll notice the list of options narrowing down, saving you time and effort. Once you've typed users, be sure to click on the resulting users option under the users section. This will lead you to a page displaying a list of all users associated with your Salesforce account. Now your task is to locate the specific user you need from this list. You might need their user ID to solve a problem, or maybe access their details for another reason. Carefully browse through the list until you find the user you're looking for. Next, once you've found the user, click on their full name. This action takes you to the user detail page, which provides a wealth of information about the selected user, from their role and profile to more specific details. Here's where the magic happens. Pay close attention to the URL at the top of your browser once you are on the user detail page. It might seem odd to examine a URL for a user ID, but this is one of those useful quirks Salesforce offers. Within that URL, look for a specific 15-character identifier that starts with the numbers 005. This sequence is the user ID you need. Memorize it, write it down, or copy it to where you need it. It's the key piece of information you've been searching for. And there you have it, a quick, efficient method to find the user ID in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these steps will save you time and streamline your process. I hope this guide makes your Salesforce experience even smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful guides and tips.